So children, do you know why and when we have food? Yes, we have food when we are hungry, right? But why do we have food? Why? Because food makes us grow. It helps us to grow. Do you know why your height keeps on growing? Because you are having healthy food, right? And food makes us strong and healthy also. Can our body be strong and fit if we will not have food? No, it will not be. So, food makes us strong and healthy. Food gives us energy to work and play. Children, if we will not have food, so our body will have energy? No, it will feel lack of energy and we will not be able to do any work. So, food gives us energy to work and play. Similarly, food also helps us to fight against diseases. Yes, it helps us to fight against diseases. If we will have healthy food, our body will be more fit and strong to fight diseases. Food we eat. Children, every day do we used to wear same kinds of clothes? No, we wear different kinds of clothes. Similarly, do we eat same type of food every day? No, sometimes we eat fruit or vegetables or different type of seeds, or we have healthy food, or we also have junk food sometimes, and we also have some common dishes of different states and countries, right? So this is a chart that is showing you different types of food that we have. Children, we have different types of seeds like cereals, pulses, nuts. For example, almond, walnut, dal, rajma, kidney beans, right? So we have different types of pulses and nuts as well as cereals like wheat, like rice. So we have different types of food. You can draw the chart in your notebook and learn these spellings well. Now, kinds of food. Children, basically we have three types of food. Okay, the first one is bodybuilding food, energy giving food, protective food. So we will learn more about these three types of food. Let us come to body building food. Now children, with the help of the name, we can understand, if we will think little harder, that what does this type of food will help our body. How does it help our body? So here, body building food helps us to grow. They makes our bones and muscles strong. Examples: milk, eggs, fish, meat and pulses. So bodybuilding food helps us to grow, makes our bones and muscles strong. Okay? Now we will learn energy giving food. Now do you know what does energy giving food will help? Yes, it will gives us energy to work and play. Energy giving food gives us energy to work and play. Examples: sugar, butter, rice, etc. Now the third one is protective food. Protective food. So protective food prevents us from falling sick. Fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. So children, protective food makes our body strong and help us to fight against diseases. That is why we always used to advise you to eat healthy food so that your body will get a good immunity system and a fighting system against the diseases. Now children, let's recap what we have learned today. When we are hungry, we eat food. Food makes us grow, gives us energy, and makes us strong. Bodybuilding food makes our bones and muscles strong. Energy-giving food gives us energy to work and play. Protective food prevents us from falling